In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shop URL on Big Cartel. If you've been wanting to update your shop's web address but weren't quite sure how to do it, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily make this change and have your shop URL perfectly reflect your brand or personal style. To begin, you'll first want to head over to the Big Cartel dashboard. This is the main hub where all of your store management activities take place. Once there, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll spot a tab labeled Account. Give that a click. This section is where you can manage and personalize various aspects of your store's identity and settings. Now, as you're navigating through the account settings, you'll see an option right in the middle of the page that says Edit Your Shop Info. Clicking here is your next step. Selecting this option will bring up a pop-up window. Don't worry if it takes a second to load. This is where you'll input the changes to your shop's URL. Once the window has appeared, keep an eye out for the section labeled Shop URL. This is where your current web address is displayed, and it's what customers use to find your shop online. By clicking directly on your current shop URL, you'll be able to edit it. Go ahead and delete the existing URL, then type in the new web address you have in mind. Be sure to choose something that's both memorable and representative of your brand. This is how people will find and remember your store after all. After you've entered the new URL, double-check it for any typos or errors. It's crucial that you get this right, as even a small mistake could lead to visitors not being able to reach your shop. Once you're confident that everything looks good, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up window. You'll find a Save button there. Clicking this is the final step in updating your URL. By hitting Save, you're committing to the change, and your shop will now be accessible via the new address you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully updated your shop's URL on Big Cartel. Don't forget to share the new URL with your customers and update any promotional materials or social media links accordingly. Whether you're rebranding or just looking for a fresh start with a new URL, these simple steps ensure your shop is always easily accessible. Thanks for following along and happy selling.